The strange noises from your joints revealing secret about you. People are making weird sounds with their joints, and it's not just old age or arthritis. 97% of us do this. Did you know these strange noises can reveal hidden health issues? Like when your knees crackle like popcorn, that could be a sign of dehydration. But here's the craziest part: the sounds from your joints can even predict your risk of heart disease. Scary, right? Researchers found that people who make loud creaking noises with their hips are more likely to develop cardiovascular problems. This is because joint sounds can indicate underlying inflammation or wear and tear on your body. The most shocking part: these strange noises can even be a warning sign for serious conditions like osteoporosis. Who knew your joints were so chatty? What do you think these weird noises are trying to tell us about our health? Share your theories in the comments below.